A favourite in Britain, beech hedging offers more than just privacy or screening benefits. The fresh, bright green foliage of Fagus Sylvatica marks the beginning of spring, with fluttery soft leaves that rustle in the wind. As the year progresses, Fagus Sylvatica transforms and the leaves turn crisp and coppery. Nothing says autumn quite like the crunching of the leaves underfoot. Green beech is often mistaken for hornbeam, and it takes a keen eye to tell the difference. With thinner, softer leaves, Fagus Sylvatica is suited to sunny or partially shaded sites in any well-drained soil. The only condition beech hedging does not like is heavy clay or wet sites. That's where hornbeam is better suited. Gardeners love this native deciduous hedge as it retains its leaves during winter. We recommend pruning Fagus Sylvatica hedging once a year, in late summer, to ensure that fresh new growth appears before the hedging goes dormant. It is this new growth that will stay on the hedge throughout the winter. We supply green beech hedging in every root type, even instant troughs and pleached trees. So whether you need a few small cell-grown plants or large root ball plants for instant impact, we have it all. The benefit of this is that you can order and plant beech hedging at any time of year, with bare root Fagus Sylvatica being one of our most popular options from autumn to late spring. For more tips and advice on your beech hedging, visit the inspiration and advice section on our website.